What's going on? You know who it is?
TT in this bit.
Today we're going to be teaching you.
We're not going to be teaching you, we're going to be walking you through our meal prep. We're not going to be teaching you.
We're going to be walking you out. We're going to be walking you through our meal prep. What you will need. Chicken breast.
I'm going to show you. Hold on.
Pan. Right here. Food scale. And Tupperware. This is all you'll need.
Y'all need some vision.
Alright, what do you put it in there, man?
It's your boy T. We back at it once again. The reason why I like frozen veggies, because they do last longer. They don't go bad quick. So therefore, you really could just put them in here, 25 minutes, 20 minutes. And they're truthfully, honestly delicious. And here's what I do. The secret to it. I like putting a little bit of pepper in here. You know what I mean? And just a tiny bit of salt, just to kind of give it a little bit of flavor. Because I feel like the reason people don't like veggies, because it tastes plain. Kind of almost too healthy. Y'all know what I mean. You do this, you close it.
And then you would hit steam. And then you put one, and guess what you hit after that? You ugly as hell, these nuts. There you go, it's cooked. Now you just wait and chill, and let's get this cooking started.
Enough of that vegetable nonsense. So we have a lot of chicken breast here to avoid all the chicken tasting the same, because I don't want to get bored of what I'm eating. I'm going to put half of it in here. Chicken. Alright, so we got some chicken in here. Go ahead and put some oil on it.
That together. We're gonna go with some salt, pepper, red pepper, and garlic sriracha. Throw a little parsley at the end.
Come on, Dad, bro.
What you mean? You love salt, man.
That's good for you. Salt? Yeah. Says who? Says me. Alright, sounds good. This is to give it that Middle Eastern vibe.
You gotta keep it spicy.
Yeah. Orange chicken, you know what I mean? Baby. Well, go ahead and mix that together. Let it do its thing. And now your chicken is ready to be eaten. Just grab a fork and enjoy.
Alright, so I like putting a little bit of garlic in there.
Put a whole garlic farm on there, huh?
You wait until they get sizzling, kind of gold color, and you keep stirring so that way it does not stick to the pan.
Other one, bro. Use, nah. That one is for the wet meat. Don't put too much in there because otherwise you're going to get water, you know? That's it. Try to get what do you call it? Garlic all over it, yep.
Ooh, oil flying everywhere. Ooh, looky.
Oh, yeah. You gotta put the other thing. Huh?
That's it, ugly, bro.
Alright, basically what we're doing, cooking it on high. We have oil on the pan and we just keep stirring. Not keep stirring, but stir every about 20 seconds. Just to make sure that the chicken doesn't stick to the pan and burn. And we have veggies and rice cooking. If you can't make rice, we'll do a whole video on how to make rice with the rice maker. It's so simple. Simple.
Break up this back.
Break, hey,
Yeah.
hey,
You don't know how that.
hey,
Yeah.
hey,
Had a little bit this.
Hey.
Yeah. Yeah, you know the little bit this.
hey,
Yeah. Yeah, we taking now.
oh,
Spitting at the door.
oh,
Yeah. You know where I'm from.
oh.
Yeah.
Hype man of the year, that was ass! I'm just kidding. What's going on? We made 18 meals, 8 ounces of chicken breast each.
1, 2, 3, 5, 18.
18. There's 3 of us, so 6 meals each. It'll last about 2 days. And we will be making tilapia tomorrow. If you want to see that video, let us know. We'll post it. There's no rice in here because we just keep it fresh in the rice maker, rice cooker.
Because rice is best when it's fresh.
Ooh. Alright, it's time to eat. Peace out.
It's time to eat.
Stay tuned, big things coming. Fredder Fitness, it's your boy.
Taha Ali signing out. Yeah.
Stay down.